So starting the test drive in this 2500 HD, love the Duramax. It's a bit, especially as it warms up, it feels a bit choppier driving, just in terms of just the sound you get from it as opposed to the gas V8. But once you get this thing going, it becomes more efficient. It runs really well, and it's just fun to drive. Now it's a big truck, and it kind of, you know, shows its girth there in terms of how it handles, but when it pulls getting on the interstate, it's gonna be nice. So I'm pretty excited about that. Still a very strong truck, even though it's huge. But I'm gonna give it a pull here, not gonna floor it, just gonna give it a little something. Here we go. So that was pretty impressive. I had a little bit of a tire squeal, and I was not anticipating that, and I really wasn't giving it much throttle. So that was impressive, very impressive. Now I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. I mean, the ride quality is decent, again, for a heavy duty truck, 3/4 ton. It's an AT4X, so you have the more off-road oriented suspension, the tires, and you can feel that in the steering wheel, but I'll take it. I really like how these set, how capable they are, how cool they look. Now for the money, if you're looking for something like this, you want something flashy, you want something that looks good, that you mostly use off-road, and then if you need to tow something, you either tow a large trailer, a camper, or a boat, this is a good way to go. Me personally, if I actually towed stuff, I would go with a dually, maybe like in an LT or an SLT trim level, something like that. But you know, with this, you're not able to tow as much, but if you don't have to tow as much, why get something that can tow something that you're never going to tow, you know? And I think that's why these are a good option for a lot of buyers that are in the segment of wanting something really nice that's really capable in terms of towing, off-road capability, and hauling. But if you need to tow closer to 30,000 pounds, you know, you can get a 3500 dually and make sure it's a Duramax and all that. But I mean, here, this is enough, I think, for everyone that's going to be in this segment. Not everyone, but most people that are going to be in this segment. If you need a dually, you pretty much know you need a dually. If you don't, this is probably more than capable anyway. It's just if you want something really nice. And this does not disappoint in terms of the luxury amenities you get. Having the heads-up display, adaptive cruise, a sunroof. Love the massage seats. Cannot go wrong with those. Having them heated and cooled, blind spot monitors. This has everything. Again, it just happens to be a 3/4 ton truck that can haul close to 3,000 pounds and tow closer to 19,000. But overall, it's relatively easy to drive for it to be such a large truck. Where I have issues with these, and it's not like I have issues, but in parking lots, when you're trying to make tight turns, the turning radius is rather large, and sometimes it's a bit difficult to drive these around cars that are lower to the ground. So as you take turns, you can't really see them. But that's what these mirrors are for, of course. But a very nice 3/4 ton truck. Let me just leave it at that. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X.